How to stop redirects in Google Chrome web browser. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch your web browser on your device. Now click three dots at top right. Scroll down and locate settings. Click on it. Once on this section, click privacy and security from the settings section. Scroll down. Locate site settings and open it. Scroll down and now look for the option of pop-ups and redirects. Click to open it. And make sure that you toggle the button on for don't allow sites to send pop-up or use redirect on the default behavior section. So in this way you can easily turn off or stop redirects in your Google Chrome web browser. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.